My fellow East Turkestan people, on behalf of East Turkestan government in exile, I wish all people of East Turkestan a happy, productive, and prosperous new year. Despite of the fact that we, as a nation, are continue suffering from the worst genocide crime in the 21st century perpetrated by China's vicious government. I wish all of you take a short break with family members and loved ones. Cherish the freedom which is provided and protected by the civilized world. Another year of China's repression has already passed. In the new year 2020, we may face even greater challenges and obstacles in our life. I wish from the bottom of my heart that courage, hope, and faith will overcome all the difficulties we are confronting. As William E. Vaughan once said, an optimist stays up until midnight to see the new year in. A pessimist stays up to make sure the old year leaves. We must stay optimistic no matter what kind of hardship we are enduring. May we have a great year and a wonderful time ahead in 2020. We all agree that our common enemy is the tyrannical regime led by the totalitarian-minded, vicious dictator Xi Jinping. China is already the second largest economy in the world, which also possesses the world's largest armed force. As such, we are facing tremendous obstacles in our struggle to restore our independence. However, we have the whole civilized world behind us now. As we have seen, the United States of America, the European Union, Japan, Australia, and other democratic countries realized the importance of human dignity over China's economic and military might. The latest news from Muslim-majority countries also indicate that those countries will eventually support us out of the demand of their ordinary citizens. Therefore, the most important factor in restoring our independence rely on ourselves. We must let the world know what we are really looking for. Improvement of human rights, protection of cultural identity, assurance of religious freedom, or democratization of China will not solve our core problems. The only solution for us to free ourselves from China's atrocity is to restore the independence of East Turkestan. We must clearly and loudly tell the world community that East Turkestan is under military occupation by Communist China since 1949. The world community has the undeniable responsibility to free us from China's tyrannical regime based on Genocide Convention ratified in 1948 and signed by 150 nations. China's government must be punished for committing the genocide crime against humanity based on international law of justice. May God bless your family with prosperity, good health, and happiness in New Year. May God lead our way towards the independence of East Turkestan. Thank you. Tuğluk Abdrazak, Prime Minister, East Turkestan Government in Exile.